St. John. We're known for nose-to-tail cooking. We're known for using the whole animal, the whole beast. And you guys got some wonderful produce here, so we're able to bring our St. John kind of style over to you in Melbourne here. So it's quite an honour to be able to cook for the PorkStars event. I can't wait to be sending out this food and make this room smell of St. John and smell of that wonderful, gorgeous pork.
So for the PorkStars event tonight, like we're doing, it's like 6 courses of just like nose to tail pork. For all the dishes tonight, we'll be using Western Plains pork from Judy Crow out near Ballarat, and yeah, it's just absolutely banging pork.
So we've invited Melbourne's finest chefs and industry leaders. We thought we'd have a big shared menu. We've got pig's tails, we've got spleen, the pork loin. It's going to be fantastic, right? And good on PorkStar for letting us do it.